So what is an SSD? An SSD, which is referred to as a solid-state drive, is a type of storage device used in computers, laptops, and gaming consoles to store data like your operating system, apps, and files. Unlike traditional hard drives, an SSD has no moving parts. Instead, it uses flash memory, similar to what's inside a USB drive or smartphone. With an SSD, your computer can boot up in seconds, games load much faster, and files open almost instantly. There are SATA SSDs, which are common and affordable, and NVMe SSDs, which are much faster and smaller. Because there are no mechanical parts, SSDs are durable and quiet.